My life be like, ooh, yeah. My life be like, yeah.
This is a better vlogging spot.
Huh?
Oh. We're starting this vlog. Oh, that's so creepy-ish.
What? Oh, that.
Look at all the shoes on there.
Yeah, it's weird.
What is that building?
It's a middle school.
It's so creepy. Okay, wow, what the heck?
Yeah, we got the best view in this.
We're at Jacob's apartment. Look at all the gum little spots. So, right now, we are in Los Angeles. This vlog was filmed, like, when did we go on a road trip?
Like 2 weeks ago?
Yeah, so this is like 2 weeks old, but basically this entire vlog is about how we were in Canada, because we were in a car, we got stuck in a snowstorm.
Very exciting.
So that's like this entire vlog, basically. It was pretty traumatic.
Traumatic and dramatic experience, yeah.
Jacob cried a little bit.
I shed 2 tears, max.
And we're safe. So, what do you have anything to say about that experience?
Snow's lit.
That's pretty much it. It took like 4 or 3 hours. I don't know. It was very tiring. And vlogs will continue as normally, maybe later. Actually, I have another vlog.
Yeah, we're still
vlogs.
getting back into the swing of things here in LA. It's week 2, week 1 of internship for me, week 3 for her. So we're catching our groove.
Or we'll see. We'll see when the vlogs come. Look at. We have like a little nice view of downtown.
A little bit.
Okay, we're gonna go because my battery's dying. But I hope you guys enjoy this vlog.
Around this corner, right?
Yeah,
right
here.
there. That's another one of those things.
Mustache. Want me to stop?
This one's ugly.
Yeah, look at its skin.
It's been neglected.
Whoa, it's a herd. The squad.
Squad gold.
There were so many out today.
Yeah. Well, there was a caution. So close.
We had to bear. Are you recording?
Yeah, it's looking at us.
Give me her camera. Give me her camera.
He just crossed the street. Now he's like,
What you looking at? Okay. He's like, what?
No.
okay, we find that one.
Ah, shit. He's still looking.
That one's so cute.
Okay, bye bye.
That was a grizzly.
Wow, he's so aware.
Yeah, he was just looking at us. That's a survivor right there. Having an update. We're just driving. This is our first encounter with snow here in Canada. My first encounter with snow this entire trip.
Jacob like doesn't know what snow is.
Good old Texas. Look at this.
It's actually bad because that means that the roads are probably
Yeah.
Wow, this is like a winter wonderland. It is currently May in Canada. Get with it.
Holy cow. Vlog takeover right now. I was so excited. I had to pull this bad boy back out. This is my first time in snow and
He's like looking over the edge. Like, look at, this is what Anchorage usually looks like.
I want you all to see what I'm seeing right now. This is absolutely gorgeous, stunning Canada. I didn't think I had it in you.
Tell them the 3 things that you were like,
I didn't see this, and so I'm bad.
3 things I wanted to see. I had to see a moose, a bear, and snow. And I've gotten them all in Canada.
yeah.
Oh.
When we left Alaska, he didn't see it, and he was like,
You didn't do a good job. I didn't see these things.
But now, every turn is just a mystical wonderland.
magical. It like literally just started snowing out of nowhere. Right?
Yeah, it came out of nowhere. We turned a corner and it was just
This reminds me of the Grinch Stole Christmas. Whoville. We just like turned a corner and there was Whoville.
Stone Mountain. You literally can't see anything. JK, you kinda can.
I'm so scared right now. gonna last for. Cause like we just really came into it.
Jeez. The thing is, like, we keep driving up.
Jacob's gonna put in some gas just in case the weather's like this everywhere.
Just in case the weather's like this everywhere.
He's so excited.
Tank or how many?
It's at half a tank.
You still have 300 miles then.
Yeah, just put in
Should
like
we
a
not
little
put
bit.
any?
If you have half a tank, I think you're good.
Well, Mom, why'd you tell me to get gas then?
Well, you guys, you know, I can't see the gas tank from here.
The snow.
If it's a half tank, you have about 300.
Okay. Go outside.
Yeah, just go outside. Get your hair wet.
Don't take photos outside.
Yeah, I don't want to get my camera wet.
He's got fall on his butt.
That'd be funny. Was that fun?
Oh, it's wet.
Okay, let's go. Current situation. Oh, no, those are my friends. Uh-oh. I'm the first one in line. This may not be a good thing. So we're literally driving through the snow.
You're not supposed to follow him.
Yeah, I don't know. And everyone's parked on the side because there's two. Oh, yeah, actually, maybe I shouldn't be following him. There's a huge line of people. Oh.
Just hurry up, just hurry up.
Okay, well, I'm gonna follow him.
Put that away.
Here. Oh, no. Oh, is he telling me not to go?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, just stop.
Okay, stop. We were driving in front of that line because we got right behind the plow truck plowing the snow, and it turns out that whole line of cars apparently has been there for 5 hours. So this not good. I noticed it when I saw my friends who we were following earlier. They're not actually my friends. Oops. And I was passing them, and then this lady like was huffing and puffing to catch up with me.
Is she running?
Well, not really. Like she could have just like
She was just
like out of shape. But yeah, so this is the status. There's like a huge line of trucks, cars. Hope you can't see it. More friends are piling behind. Are they making him turn around? Ooh, we're going. Oh, we are not. Yes, we are. Now we have 2 trucks that are stuck in the middle of the road. There's one over there, and this guy tried going around him, and then he got stuck, and he is sliding. Oh, he's getting out. What you gonna do? My car also is very slippery. Oh, I do not know how to help you. I'm sorry. Jacob's scared to death. He's pooping his pants. Actually, yeah, I don't know how long this is gonna last, but it's not good for this car. What did he just do? You're like, you can't do anything.
the other one.
Nah, I am stuck.
Update.
Go into the ditch.
Yeah, there's a ditch right there. I cannot get out of where I am right now. Oh gosh. We are very stuck. Not move. Should I try it again? This is miserable.
Get away.
Oh, just push me into it.
Straight your wheel up.
Disaster. We're all backing up right now.
I think these here.
It's so cold out
Should
there.
I wait?
Everyone go in the bathroom.
Well, the thing is, like this, there's no room between those 2. So he has
I know.
And then there's a line of cars right there. This guy is the owner of that truck, And we just had everyone back up.
He was so mad. The guy, because the guy behind us was like, well, is there any, he was like, can you create some space? He's like, I just don't want to hit you guys.
Oh, whoa. Yeah. It's really slippery.
Yeah.
And that guy was just having an attitude.
Was he?
Oh, I mean, he said he wasn't going to back up.
He wasn't?
Yeah.
That's what he said, yeah.
Yeah,
Why?
first.
You're dumb.
I know.
Oh, this guy's trying to go. There's a truck over there trying to go in between. He reminds me of like a little goblin. Like, good for you. I'm just kidding. Uh-oh. Go! I'm not, Mom. I'm just not going.
You got it.
It's really not up to me. Oh, this car. Can't make
Oh
it.
my gosh. Oh, shit. Okay, here, let's go. No.
Still very stuck. Cannot move anywhere. It's probably where we're gonna die. Currently waiting for a tow truck that apparently is coming. Or not a tow truck. Plow truck. So he can plow a path because he didn't do a good job the first time. Jacob really had to pee. We're still here. How long has it been?
Oh my gosh, too long. I'm sick of this.
We were promised a tow truck.
Plow truck.
For some reason I just keep saying plow truck.
Tow truck. I'm happy.
We're trying.
We made it past that first truck.
I get stuck right here.
Just keep going, slowly.
Oh, we just made it. Okay.
An angel brought dirt.
Very, very, very high chance we'll get stuck somewhere else, but I'm just trying to follow this guy's tracks ASAP.
We just don't want the snow to build back up over it, or else we'll get. Oh, woo! We gained traction.
Look at this. But look at this over here.
Yeah, this. Ooh.
I think there's also less gravel. I think he stopped putting some out. This is our
Let's
hitch
go. Chefing it up.
friend. Or like,
We're making progress a little.
we're hoping that there's no more uphills because my car cannot go uphill. Very stressful. How long have we been here? Literally, my car cannot go up. Like, if I were to turn around and try to go up this hill, it would not be able to.
I literally, it can't right now. It can't.
I'm kind of glad that this big truck is in front of me. Kind of wish he was telling me, but I just can't be losers. Okay. I was gonna be like, you can't do that when you're facing it now.
Oh, we're tumbling.
Another roadblock. Literally. We think this roadblock is diagonally blocking the road. This RV. Oh, he's coming out. What you gonna say?
Currently stuck in a snow blizzard for about an hour.
Two. Oh, he's going up. He's going. Wow. You have to be so, like, helpful in these situations just to help yourself. Yeah.
You have to help. If you don't help them, you can't help yourself.
Really dependent on everyone else on the road. Going to clear the windshield wipers. Still stuck, by the way. No, you just flip them up. Stop.
Uh-oh. No, I'm not talking about that.
He wants me to, like, get it going.
No. Oh, I see. He might break it.
No, he doesn't know that you can. He doesn't know that you can, like, lift it up. Lift that up. Lift it up. Okay. Yeah, there you go.
Too late, too.
It's fine. This is his first time in snow, so we don't feel bad for making him do this. I'm getting hungry.
He's screaming. Put it under the armpit.
Oh, good idea.
We're back in this RV down this hill. We're just watching the show.
We got popcorn.
Put it down to the corner.
Jacob spilled the popcorn.
Poor Jacob. You're getting killed by 2 women.
Eat faster!
Lick it.
Zambini, that was you, whatever.
Zamboni. Uh-oh.
Oh, nice and salty.
Oh, that's people.
Wow. It's incredible.
Oh no, there's a hill. Look at all these cars right here. Oh, right here. Right here. They're not looking. Did you get them? I think everyone's stopped. Where is he? Oh, they're probably talking to each other. Okay, let me talk to him. Ooh, vlog secret, vlog secret. Hello.
Be careful when you're going down that way.
Okay.
It's about the same as over here.
For
so
how long?
Yeah, do you
Just
know?
be careful.
Do you know how long it's?
It's about 40 minutes if at a regular speed. So could be an hour and 20 minutes at this speed.
Whoop. It's not Annemarie. It's currently 10:03. We're driving to St. George. It's about 8 hours away. The princess is in the back sleeping.
She needs that sleep.
Oh yeah.
Drove so hard.
We've got a long road ahead of us. As you can tell, we haven't escaped the snow. So we still got a good amount of driving to do. Probably gonna be driving until the wee early in the morning. We'll update you guys later. Spoken. How'd you nap? Vlog takeover again. What's up, y'all? It's currently 8 a.m. It's Sunday. We've been driving. This is the longest drive. We are gonna stop through Vancouver.
No, that's way down there.
We're on the way to Vancouver before we hit up Washington.
We're gonna stop in Prince
George.
something, but I ended up sleeping in
that
the
is
morning. It's fine. I ended up sleeping in the morning, and then after dinner, because after our snowstorm, we ate at Boston Pizza because it was like the only thing. And then we kept driving, but I slept, so I'm now nocturnal, and I've been driving since like 12 a.m. or 1 a.m. I think so. And now it's 8 a.m. and I'm still fine.
It's been a rough, rugged day.
Yeah, but now it's pretty.
It's beautiful.
Sorry, I keep interrupting you. I'll take over.
It's cool. It's cool.
We're listening to Beyonce.
Now we're listening to Lemonade and enjoying this beautiful weather.
And there's a dry gravel ahead of us, which is literally I haven't seen this for like 8 hours. So close, but so far. I showed you the game, everybody.
How do I have battery?
Hello. How are you? Alaska. Where are you going? LA. They go to school there. All the way down for this little baby of mine. We just bought honey. That's the only thing. Thank you. You too.
We're in the U.S.
Hand me mine. USA gasoline. What the heck?
Woo! Not in liters. What part of the U.S. is this?
It's Washington.
This is Bellingham.
Not yet, right?
It's not yet.
Beautiful.